Rupee registered a high and low of 73.26 and 73.95 after testing an intraday low of 73.95 on Thursday before ending the week at 73.61. On most of the days in the week, Rupee maintained its narrow trading range between 73.40 to 73.75. As compared with the whooping increase in forex reserves during the May to July 2020 period, the forex reserves had increased by about 10 billion in the 7-week period between 7th August 2020 and up to 18th September 2020. The easing of increase in forex reserves led to a position of marginal rise in the forex inflows into the market. The appreciation of non-dollar currencies in the referred period in the reserve basket also contributed to a lower accretion in forex reserves. The central bank abstained from intervention in the market at a time when the capital and current account inflows have significantly slowed down. From April to August 2020, exports are showing a steady increase by way of easing in growth contraction from a trade surplus of about 0.8 billion in June 2020. The trade gap has increased to USD 6.7 billion as a result of sharp rise in non-oil imports. An increase in non-oil imports in August 2020 and easing of contraction in export growth may lead to a widening of trade gap, which indicates a good sign for the overall economic growth in the coming quarters beyond the 2020 December quarter. In the background of the dollar moderately recovering against the major currencies, specifically euro, it is quite possible for the rupee to gradually weaken to test the 74.00 level before the middle of September or even earlier, while the strong resistance at 73.00 shall hold. All in all, a wide range between 73.30 to 74.00 can be expected over the short term. The significant fall in global stock indices with intermediate recoveries is expected to continue for some more time, which gives a firm clue that an appreciation in the rupee exchange rate may not happen in a shorter time frame as expected earlier. While the fall in global stock indices, even if it turns out to be temporary, has created fears in the mind of the investors in the background of a resurgence and widespread in coronavirus cases currently centered at some European countries and UK. The fall in the rupee exchange rate to a low of 73.95 in the last week was due to significant fall in global stock indices. On Friday, global stock indices have recovered, which led to a pullback in the exchange rate, and the rupee tested a high of 73.57. We feel the performance of the local stocks and the dollar's gains against the major currencies shall be the gating factor to determine the rupee's trading range. We feel a range between 73.50 to 74.10 can be seen in the next 1 week time frame from now with a neutral bias. The rupee's trading range, which hovered between 73.30 to 73.70 in the last 1 month time frame, has now shifted moderately lower to settle at a narrow range between 73.50 to 74.10. The importers and exporters are advised to hedge at or near the lower and upper end of the above range to obtain a favorable exchange rate against their payables and receivables. Due to reasonable stability in the rupee exchange rate, exporters have shown interest in forward selling of dollars in the market, which led to a strong receiving interest in near-term forwards up to 3-month maturities. The forward dollar premium ended the week much lower at 3.80% per annum for 1, 2, and 3-month maturities. The uptick in money market yields beyond the 3-month maturities lifted the forwards higher in various far-end maturities.